Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Mercury credit card account from your computer online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Mercury credit card account online from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in mercury.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Mercury credit card, login like this and hit enter, and after that you can see the mercury.com, which is the second on the result of Google. Click over there, and this is the direct login page of Mercury credit card, whereas in the first page we are on the Mercury's homepage. Now to log into your credit card, you can see the credit card option available at the top of the screen. Click over there where I'm hovering right now, and after that you'll be directed to the credit card page of the Mercury. And to log into your credit card account from over here, you can see the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on login and you'll be directed to this page, which is the login page of Mercury itself. So both of these pages are same, so let's pause one of these. Now to log into your Mercury credit card account, simply enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Mercury credit card. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your Mercury credit card account's password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Mercury, simply click on open account on the top right corner to go through a procedure to sign up for Mercury. And guys, this is how you log into your Mercury credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.